Hi everyone, this is Chef Rohan from France, and today we're gonna make some brisket on the Pit Boss Navigator 850. In one of my last videos you saw some ribs on the Pit Boss Navigator, and a lot of people asked me if I could do a brisket the same way on the Navigator, and of course yes you can, and I will tell you that it's even more easy to do than on any other barbecue. This is the magic of the pellet smoker, is that you set it and forget it, and it's the same way for the brisket. So I have a 4 kilograms brisket. It's just a flat, so it will be leaner than a whole packer with the point. So I didn't remove so many fat, just the strong fat that I removed, but for the rub, it's only salt and pepper, 50-50, and that's it. We will cook it at 120 Celsius degrees, 225 Fahrenheit degrees, until, 250 Fahrenheit degrees, until an internal temperature of 63 degrees Celsius. After 1 hour and a half, we will spray some apple juice and apple cider vinegar, just to keep a good moisture inside the barbecue and on the meat. But you don't really need to put a water pan in a pellet smoker. It's not the same heat and not the same dryness than on an offset or a stick burner, an offset, or a charcoal grill. Okay. So, first step, 120 Celsius degrees until an internal temperature of 63 Celsius degrees. Then we will wrap it with butcher paper. You can do it with aluminum foil, but the result will be better with butcher paper. Because the butcher paper lets smoke pass through the paper, and it retains the juice and the fat. But you can do it with aluminum foil. You will get a Texas scratch. The Texas scratch is the bark will be a bit softer, but it will be okay too. So we will wrap it at 63 Celsius degrees internal temperature, and then we will put it back in the smoker until an internal temperature of 93 Celsius degrees. Then we will put it for 2 hours in a fridge box to let the meat rest and tenderize, and let the juice go back to the meat, and then we will be able to slice it and to eat it. Okay, so let's go. I have nothing to show you because I just put some rub on the meat yesterday night. It rested in the fridge for the whole night, and now we will just switch it on 120 Celsius degrees and put the brisket on. That's it. So now the internal temperature of the brisket is about 63 Celsius degrees. Time to rub it up. You have to rub it tightly. Okay. And we put it back in the smoker. So the internal temperature of the brisket is about 93 Celsius degrees. So now last step is to put it the brisket for maybe 2 hours in that fridge box. Okay, So let's go. Yep. So now 2 hours of resting time. We will slice the brisket. So you see how juicy it is. It's incredible, just perfect. So the meat is bending, but it's not pulling off. So now if I pull it, it comes like that. It's just perfect. Wow, so good. So you have seen that it's really easy to make a good brisket on a Pit Boss Navigator. The only one thing you really need is a good quality of meat. It's about 80% of the success of your cooking, okay? So I hope you appreciate this video. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe to my channel for other Pit Boss and Louisiana Grills video. Thank you, bye-bye.